Hello darlings, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm welcoming you to my little kitchen. I'm doing a tutorial of Githeri preparation. If you've never tasted the Kenyan Githeri before, this is your opportunity to see this amazing recipe and try it in your own kitchen. As you can see, we've washed all the vegetables, the carrots, the danias, the tomatoes and the onions, and what I'm doing right now, I'm just cutting them into smaller pieces so that when I'll be frying my githeri, the ingredients can blend well with the end product. If this is your first time in our channel, kindly remember to subscribe, like and share so that you'll be the first person to receive our content every time we create, and also let your friends get to know about our channel so that we can grow together, learn how to cook, and you can also show me some of the items that you prepare in your kitchen so that we'll be able to help and grow one another. Without wasting much time, I'd like you guys to continue watching the tutorial step by step until the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and keeping this family running.